In today's video, we'll show you how to set and modify the stop loss and take profit directly from the charts on DxTrade. Let's dive in. First things first, open the chart of the instrument you wish to trade. You can do this by simply clicking on the instrument from the watch list. Alternatively, use the search bar at the top. Enter the instrument's name. Let's say GBP/USD and select it to bring up the chart. Once the chart is open, click on either the sell or buy button. This will bring up an order window. Here you'll need to fill in details like the lot size. Once everything is set, click Send Order. The order is now placed, and you'll see a confirmation notification pop up in the top right corner. Here's an important point. If one-click trading is enabled, the trade will be executed with a single click, without any pop-up window appearing. Now, you'll notice the order line displayed on the chart. To set a stop loss or take profit, simply click on the order line. You'll see options for stop loss and take profit. To set these, drag the lines up or down to the desired price level. Once you've placed them where you want, an order window will pop up again. You can confirm the stop loss or take profit price in the order window. Click Modify, and that's it, the stop loss is now set. Similarly, you can set the take profit. If you want to change the stop loss or take profit, just click on the price you've set, drag it to the new price level. And the order window will appear again. Select Modify, and the stop loss or take profit will be updated. To remove the stop loss, click the cross icon next to the price and select Modify in the order window. Closing a trade is just as simple. Click on the cross icon next to the order, and it's done. You'll receive a notification confirming that the trade has been closed. However, if one-click trading is disabled, you'll receive a pop-up window to confirm. And that's it. Setting and modifying the stop loss and take profit from the chart is that simple. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.